To make a Christmas sock icon, first go to Coolers.co and click Start the Generator to choose a color scheme. If you don't like the first color scheme that is generated for you, you can press the space bar to generate other color palettes. So keep pressing until you find something you like. Let's say you found something that you like. What you can do is to press the print screen button on your keyboard. So press print screen and then sign into Gravit, create a new design and paste the print screen screenshot of your palette here. So do a Ctrl V, paste, and there you go. Alright, you can move your palette to the bottom because all you need is a little bit of color to refer to later. Now let's get started with the design. I'm first going to change my page color using the eyedropper tool and selecting one of the colors from my color scheme. So for my page, I'm going to choose this very dark purple that is part of my color scheme. So that's entirely up to you what you want to choose. Now, to create the Christmas sock, I'm going to start by creating a rectangle using a square shape. Bring it to the center of the page, and what I'm going to do is to round the corners, okay, to give it a more friendly or cuter looking shape. Okay, once done, you can change the fill color using the eyedropper and select another color scheme from your color scheme. Okay, now once done, I'm going to pull out another shape. You can either use another rounded rectangle or you can use this pledge shield shape and rotate it 90 degrees to the right, okay, to make the bottom part of your sock. So for the fill color, I'm going to use the same color as I used previously from my color wheel. Okay, once done, you can resize it nicely to fit so it looks like a sock. Okay, so it should look something like that. You can always readjust the size to make a good looking graphic design. Okay, when you're happy with it, we're going to make it a bit interesting. We're going to add a clip design over our first bottom part of the sock, the shoe shape. So I'm going to add a circle for that. Bring out a circle. You can also make it interesting by adding a circle with a line over the circle number 1. Okay, bring it to the side of the sock. I'm going to change the fill color first using the eyedropper and selecting another color from my color scheme. Once done, select just the circle and the shoe shape, so drag over both of them and do a clip. Once done, we can start to decorate the top part of the sock. I'm going to do this by bringing out another square, stretching it to form a horizontally long rectangle and putting it right on top of my sock. So this will create like a fold over sock appearance. Okay, and if you want, you can also round the corners to make it look a bit cuter or friendlier. Okay, now lastly, I'm going to change this fill color for the last part of the sock from another color in my design. So it's really up to you what color you want to choose. And this is how you create a completed Christmas sock. If you want, you can still continue decorating it by adding more patterns and colors and switching the colors around as well. Okay, and finally, before you finish, don't forget to add a line of text to say Merry Christmas or Season's Greeting. Save your work, export, and put it into your class notebook.